थोड़ा अंदर यहाँ पे आओ और आगे नहीं यहाँ पर यहाँ पे नीचे नहीं यहाँ पे ये बात थोड़ा सा ये साइड करना होगा क्या ये रुके भाई ये राइट चलिए सेंटर में देखिए मैंने बोल रहे सब कैमरा ग्लास में दिख रहे हैं ना ग्लास से आ रहे हैं राइट फोटोग्राफर है क्या प्रपोजल सारी सेंटर में देखिए
सर एक सेकंड
आगे
Shivani, can you come to this side now? There's too much of wind blowing. You can face this side now.
ये लाइट वाला बनी है हम भी लाइट के हिसाब से लाइट
Okay.
अब थोड़ा सा ऊपर कॉर्नर है वो कॉर्नर को देखिए वो कॉर्नर ग्लास के कॉर्नर क्या बता चलिए वो कॉर्नर पे नहीं
अरे हाँ
चलना है
कितना अच्छा है।
अरे मैडम हमको फोटो छपवाना है हमें हाँ आप मत बोलिए दिशा थोड़ा कॉर्नर में बता रहा हूँ ये कॉर्नर सेंटर दिशा सेंटर यार
दिशा
चलिए सेंटर में देखिए ऊपर
अरे यार दिशा जा
आ जाओ
अजी जैसा
Really? Should we पीछे?
आई
राइट में देखिए
रुक जरा राइट
This is like
आदित्य सेंटर
अरे अविनाश यार
आदित्य सेंटर यार
आदि और दिशा जी
रुक सेंटर आदित्य आदि सेंटर यार हेलो या आदि सेंटर यार रुकिए राइट सर आपके लेफ्ट में
अरे लेफ्ट में उधर
आदि सेंटर दिखता है थोड़ा सा इस तरह
थैंक यू
आदि सोलो
हाँ उठा लो मैम
उठा लो ना सर लंबा बहुत है नहीं उठा लो
कॉस्ट्यूम भी है ना
वहीं तो पीछे
हो सकता है
वो पोस्टर जैसा
सर थोड़ा
अभी तो सर यहाँ पे देखो
सर आदि ले
आदि विल डू जस्ट वन शॉट मोर
सर
लेफ्ट
अभी सर राइट
आदि
थैंक यू
थैंक यू दोनों दिशा और आदि दिशा हाँ भाई दिशा आदि एक सेकंड आदि फोटो आदि एक फोटो
एक मिनट भाई यार हो गया ना
हो गया
भाई तू बाद में कर रहा है यार
आदि एक फोटो आदि रुको आदि एक भाई आदि हटा दो आदि नीचे डन थैंक यू
Guys, how's it going? Listen, come on, put your phones down. Experience reality, guys. Come on, put the phones down. Yeah.
यार ये लोग ऐसे नहीं मानेंगे अरे पब्लिक थोड़ी आवाज करो
Big hand for Sachit! Woo! What do you think of the song? I can't hear this. You all need to be. What did you think of the song? Was it good? Come on, guys. Our film is releasing soon. You have to give us some support, huh?
मजा आया कि नहीं? Alright guys, firstly thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, it's
You
our
know,
pleasure.
Coming to a college festival, before we get to talk about the movie, does it bring back a lot of memories when you were in college, organizing festivals, being a part of the committee? How does it feel?
No, absolutely. They're all fond memories. I was in Xavier's for a couple of years, and
Right.
everyone knows about Malhar. So yeah, I was in the informals. I kind of yeah. So I did a little bit of this, and it was always the most fun part of stuff for me.
That's right. How about you, Dasha?
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for the warm welcome. We're just so happy to be here, and Sachit rocks. I've unfortunately only studied for 1 year. I'm a college dropout. I was studying BTech.
You know, if a college dropout can do this, padhai chhod do bhai. But guys, I think the trailer looks absolutely fantastic, and as far as you is concerned, your entry with the mask on, I think you're looking like there's this whole different vibe with your entry. And as far as the song is concerned, Hamra, we see a lot of adventure sports that are being carried out, right? While shooting this song, how much fun was it to experience all of these sports together?
It was a lot of fun shooting this song.
Yeah.
This film was pretty physically draining for the both of us because we had to be like fit and really like, so we didn't get much food to eat, which made it a little tough to do these adventure sports on 1500 calories a day, but it was fun nonetheless. It was like a paid holiday, to be honest.
Wow, that's amazing. And Dasha, you know, with every movie, just keep on setting the bar high. But as far as Malang is concerned, we see you killing a lot of people in this one, doing a lot of action, yeah. But as far as your character is concerned, now I'm in a dilemma, okay? I don't know what to do. Should we fall in love with your character, or should we be scared of your character?
You guys want to fall in love with me, or you want to be scared of me?
Okay, how many of you want to be scared of her? Yeah, if you're raising your hand up, please go out, please. And how many of you all want to fall in love with her? Wow, that's amazing. So I think Malang has got a lot to offer, not just the trailer shows, but apart from that, a lot to offer as well. But what we're going to do right now is, we'll dance to the title track of Malang, and we've got 4 people from the team of Satwa who are going to be joining us, or the audience. Can we please have the track, please? The title track of Malang, and I'm going to be joining them and make my day as well.
Oh wow. Okay, let's do it. Which one is better?
Hamra or the title track?
Both. That's a good problem to have then.
Alright, so in the trailer, we've also seen, and also in Hamra, that you're taking your shirt off. Okay? And
Where?
how many girls want to see him shirtless?
Guys, listen. As actors, we prepare for the role. We shot a few months ago, if you know what I mean. It doesn't exist anymore.
But I think public demanded. Do you all guys want to know? Yeah?
Guys! No.
I think, Disha, I'm going to request you to please do it for us.
Disha wants to keep taking my
Arey,
shot
आवाज
off.
करो थोड़ी.
Okay, that's as far as I'm going to go, okay?
Wow.
This is... No. I don't know why Disha wants to keep taking my shirt off, guys. What is wrong with it? Disha, what is this, yeah? Anyway,
But I think
today we'll go only so far. We're at an educational institute.
that's right.
I think we
And
should
in
maintain
front of all
some
engineers.
decorum.
We've got all the teachers sitting as well.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
I think we'll stop here. To all the girls, better luck next time. I'm really sorry. But guys, firstly, thank you so much for being here. It really
having
means the
us.
world. What we're gonna do right now is we'll have a picture clicked with them, and I want you guys to put your hands up when I say 1, 2, 3. All right? I'm gonna request Sachet to please come on the stage as well. Sachet, please, can we please have you on the stage? Yes, please give him a huge round of applause, everybody.
Okay. Selfie time.
All right.
Okay, let's do this.
Hey, yo, Satwa. War.
You're getting a call. His girlfriend's calling him.
Nobody is calling me. It was just a message.
Yeah. What is she say? She's angry. What's she saying? Let's FaceTime her. Should we FaceTime his girlfriend?
I'm not dating.
No.
I wish I was this lucky, but
Well, someone's gonna get hurt. Okay.
no. I don't mind breaking up if I'm standing beside the Shah. It's okay. All right. Can we
Well, I
please
look
have you in the picture?
Huh?
Sachet, can we please have you here?
Okay. Okay. She's calling again? What's wrong with her?
Nobody's calling.
Okay, I'm joking.
All right.
Smile, guys.
Hey, yo, Satwa. 1, 2, 3.
Well done. Yeah, okay. He's doing his own personal PR, so please bear with him.
All right. All right, Satwa. 1, 2, 3.
Listen, guys, thank you so much for having us here. It's been wonderful. Our film is out on the 7th,
7th of February 2020.
Please spread the word and please don't drop out. Stick through it. At times it can be tough, but it's all worth it. And these days never come back, so enjoy it while it lasts. All right?
And before we let you guys go,
And
what can we expect from Malang?
well, I think the trailer says it all. We wanted to keep
Right.
some intrigue. We didn't want to give you all the answers. They're going to be twists and turns and lots of fun. I think it's going to be, there's a lot of masala in there.
That's right.
It's going to be one entertainer. So just spread the word, support the film, but go to college as well, okay?
How many for first day first show Malang 7th February? I think this
We need
says
more,
it
we need
all.
more. Thank you
It's
so
been
much. Have
such a
good night.
pleasure.
Bye-bye.
Please give them a huge round of applause, everybody! Let's hear it for them once again, everybody, please. And now, for the entire Satwa team for making this happen. I think these guys are absolutely amazing. Please give them a huge round of applause.